14 scale, mag-start dito sa center na to, medyo lalampan ng konti dun sa grid line. No? Dito. So, doon din sa kabila. Pagka nagkaganon dito, may lalampas din. So, i-estimate nyo na lang yan when you already draw it here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, ngayon, dito sa page 3. Page 3 ang ginagawa nyo. So, this will be format number 2. Format number 2, remember, I have shown you sa ganyan ang konti, di ba? Or pabaliktad. So here, one vanishing point is inside of the front wall, the other far outside, either on the left or on the right. So, paano yung format and what's the use? Why have a format like this? So, when you make perspective drawing, as I told you, you have to study your floor plan and layout. You have to plan and make the drawing such that it is well composed. When I say well composed, it should conform with the theories and principles of design, among which is balance. Diba? Kailangan pagka magdodrawing kayo, hindi merong optical balance. Example, yung sample application. For example, if this is your room, and your layouts are all concentrated here. Yung mga magandang design nandiyan lang. Dito empty. Baga bare and without any element. Okay, pero dito interesting dito boredom. Okay? So if you will be taking a picture and you will stand in about the middle and show what extent. Siyempre, malalabas siya masyadong heavy dito dahil empty dyan. Because most of the elements are here. Okay? Nai-imagine nyo ba yun? So pagka yung ganun, you might as well just show and take out that uninteresting part. So that you'll be showing only, let's say, ganyan lang. So yung litrato nyo bali, yung nakaharap, ganyan. Pero na yan. Ba? In effect, your picture plane will be tilted to this angle. So, bali, kanina, 1 point perspective, nakaganyan tayo. Ngayon, ang picture plane natin ay tilted to the same angle as this one. So, okay? Sabi ko, pagka irregular yung assume nyo muna yung regular shape. Such that the tone will be extending 6 meters. So, if this will be the case, which part only will retain its true dimension? Which one? You remember? Two sizes ang lang ba na-retain? Pagka nasa picture plane. So in this case, alin na? Ito na yung picture plane natin. Yung corner, di ba? Yung corner na tulang. So, ito yung corner. So yung corner dito, what will we expect for it? Bigger or smaller or the same? Bigger. Bigger. Yes. now closer to the viewer, nandiyan ang picture frame mo. Okay? Now, in translating this problem, we will not be counting on the angle, but we will be counting on the movement. How much did the other corner move forward? Yeah, it will be like yan, parallel muna, parallel, di ba? O, ang gagawin natin, yung one corner, ilalapit natin ganyan. Ng 1 meter muna, 1 meter. So ngayon, for the exercise, ilalapit natin ng 1 meter. So bali merong 1 meter yung makukwera dahil ilalapit natin. Diba? Yan. So we'll still be applying basically the same way. So magsisimula muna kayo initially sa 1-point perspective. You have to find extent of your view, and then connect the extreme edge with the measured edge and extend the line, and then let a 45-degree angle intersect so that you may get your DMR. Okay? So that if you will extend line from DMR to this space, you'll get what? Ilan na yung space? 1 meter, di ba? So itong wall na ito, ilalapit natin, mapupunta dito. How will you get the other line? You also want to calculate. So ilan dito? 150 yan, dito 150.